As Apple has increasingly focused on the photo and video capabilities of the iPhone in recent years, people have begun to wonder, can a smartphone really replace bulky cinema cameras for creating cinematic footage? Can creators truly follow Apple's lead and easily use iPhones to shoot magical, inspiring films? At the same time, a wide range of iPhone filmmaking apps and accessories have emerged, helping us better unleash the iPhone's image potential and improve both image quality and post-production workflow. Among them is widely acclaimed Blackmagic camera app, often called the best iPhone camera app. Today, Zach will walk you through how the beginners can start it with this app, and how to pair it with external SSDs and post-production tools. So how do you set up the Blackmagic camera app to truly unlock the iPhone's filmmaking capability? Let's go through 3 essential steps. First, download the Blackmagic camera app for free from the Apple Store. After launching it, here's a quick overview of the interface. Lens selection, tap to switch between focal length. Frame rate, set it in the options. We recommend using HEVC for better compression. The iPhone 16 Pro supports up to 120 FPS in 4K. Shutter speed, unlike the native camera app, Blackmagic lets you manually control shutter speed or even use the shutter angle. ISO and white balance, you can set this manually. Be sure to enable lock white balance on record in the settings for consistency. Now, to achieve cinematic footage, here are some key settings. Frame rate, use 30 FPS for film lock, 60 FPS for action, and 120 FPS for slow motion. Shutter speed, following the 180-degree rule, for 30 FPS using 1 per 60 seconds. For frozen action, go above 1 per 1000 seconds. ISO, increase only when needed. Anything above 3200 may introduce noise. Use lights if necessary. White balance, always set manually. Use 3200K for tungsten lighting, 6500 for cloudy days. Enter costume values for precision. Color space, select Apple Log HDR to preserve max dynamic range for color grading. The preview will look flat, but it gives you plenty of room in post. Bonus tip, tap and hold to lock focus and exposure. Use the tint control to correct green cast on the fluorescent light. Perfect for detail lovers. Now, recording in log fat usually means larger files, which can quickly fill up your phone's storage. To combat this, we recommend using an iPhone-compatible external storage, such as the Zyke storage for iPhone 16 and 15. This can save Apple ProRes and Blackmagic log video files directly to the drive. No AirDrop or cloud transfer required. Simply plug the drive onto your laptop and start editing right now. Once you've transferred the footage to your MacBook, launch DaVinci Resolve to begin grading. Here is a quick 4-step coloring grading workflow. Color conversion. In the Color tab, add a serial node and apply the LUT Apple Log to Rec 709 to convert your flat footage into natural-looking color. White balance. Adjust using the temperature and tint sliders, or use the white balance picker to click on a neutral area in the frame. Creative grade. Add another serial node to trim contrast and brightness, or use a parallel node for qualifiers to target specific areas. You can also use the hue vs hue curves to create cohesive color styles, just like teal and orange. Final touches. In the Curves panel, use the Luma curves to add on S-curve and boost contrast and depth. From setting up the Blackmagic camera to color grading in DaVinci Resolve, These techniques are more than just technical tricks. This helps bring your creative vision to life. Whether you are a professional filmmaker or passionate enthusiast, mastering in these steps turns your phone into a true camera tool. If you run into any issues or want to unlock more hidden features, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow Zach's YouTube channel. See you in the next video.